still in chapter 3, the arithmetic, and that's question 7. Question 7 says, for 5 hours a photocopier copied at a constant rate of 2 pages every 3 seconds. So that's is giving me a rate, and rate is always a relation between something and time. So here he is giving me the rate, and he is telling me that the rate is 2/3, 2 pages every 3 seconds, and he is giving you two quantities as usual, quantity A and quantity B. Quantity A says the number of pages the photocopier copied in the 5 hours, and quantity B, which is equal to 12,000. How to solve it? You can simply solve it by comparing. You have 2 pages every 3 seconds, and that's time, so you can multiply the time you have times this time, which is given in quantity A. But I think it's much more difficult than the method I would use now, which is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication is a great method to use if you don't if you want to compare units, and if you have rates. If you have any problem like this, cross multiplication, I think it's very perfect to use. How to solve this as a cross multiplication? You say you have 2 pages every 3 seconds. Alright, now what? Now you want to know what is the number of pages in 5 hours. Of course, you can compare hours with seconds. The unit is different, so you need to convert the hours into seconds in order to compare them. So you have 5, okay, that's 5 hours. To convert hours to seconds, you have first to convert it to minutes. So you have, in the 5 hours, you have 5 times 60, and that's the number of minutes in 5 hours. And to get the number of seconds in the 5 hours, you also multiply by 60. So if you have hours and you want to get how many seconds in this amount of hour, you multiply times 60 times 60. Okay, if you make a cross multiplication here, you multiply 5 times 60 times 60 times 2 divided by 3. A calculator will be a good idea to use here. There is many numbers, and to use calculator, I think it's better than doing it manually. But if you do this cross multiplication, you will get the number of pages to be equal to 12,000 copies. So you get 20,000 copies in 5 hours, and that's the quantity A. Okay, comparing quantity A with quantity B, they are equal. Quantity A is equal to quantity B, so the choice will be C. 2 quantities are equal. That's it. That was the last question in the comparison question, and see you in the next section in this chapter, the next episode. Bye bye.